about 2 to 3 dozen on each side of us, and surely that'll give them enough confidence to come land right in. But last time I think they were feeling too pressured. Also, you have 10 acres of Milo out here to land on, so we're gonna try it like that, and if we see something we don't like, we can always change. That's the good thing about decoys. Am I okay?
Yeah.
Do you want them more spread out?
We might put these a little bit closer.
Yeah, and then your dad said take these mallards and kind of fill in back here.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
So, or not these, well.
That's all we got.
Okay, he did.
I stole your other dozen.
Okay. We're with our friends out here at Post Oak Flats in northeast Texas. They have the birds. We're hunting a flooded Milo field, and we got high expectations, so we're gonna see how it plays out. It's 41 degrees this morning. Got an east-southeast wind right at 5 miles an hour, so wind ain't gonna play too much this morning, but as always, we're excited, we're ready, so we're gonna see how this one plays out.
They're way out there. Do you think we could have killed them? He's hit. Dadgummit. Busted that first, dude. Come on. Kill him.
Those two. Brody, look up. Brody, look up. Oh, almost took it. Holy crap, get ready, dude. Yeah.
I can't keep up with Corey. If y'all want something, you just going to call it. You call it. Go for it. Make it for it. running through the field. Attaboy.
Come on, bring him.
Oh, we shot 2 drakes? Good boy. He gets that.
Right here, come on. Yep.
Yes. Hard picked up.
Kill. Ah, no, don't do it. Was that other one?
Yeah, here they are, bud. To the left. Come quick.
Kill him.
Oh, come on. He's so close.
Come on. I shot him right in the butt.
I only have 2 shells in my gun.
Kill him.
Oh. Yeah, I see 14.
Are those other ones swimming?
You had to spit. You just had to spit. You couldn't help yourself.
Shot this drake at 80 yards.
Snapped him.
Snapped him. They're not turkey shells.
This is a young bird, if I've ever seen one. But what just happened?
He's dead.
He's not dead. Oh God, dude!
I meant to tell you
He
that.
bit me. He freaking bit me, bro.
Charlie bit me.
Charlie bit me. Oh, he's pissed, boys. He's pissed.
Who's got the
Yes. Get that away from me.
Y'all see where they went?
They just landed. Where? Oh, yeah.
Kill him. Oh. That was too far of a shot.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Explain what happened with this one.
We don't pass on hens around here.
Yep.
Is he not dead yet?
Oh. Kill it. I want it. Perfect.
I never saw him to the 50 gauge.
Here they are. There's 2 in our face. 3. Yep. Her go.
Who shot him fast? Good
Okay.
boy.
Here's what I think. I think Brody, you stalled him and then I dropped him. That's what I think happened.
And then what does Brody? I think Corey shot him in the butt and I folded him.
Well, we finished up with a good hunt this morning. Had a great time with our friends over here at Post Oak Flats. If this is something that y'all want to get on, y'all go to the description.
If you'd like to book a hunt with us, check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and you can shoot us an email.
God, dude.
I meant to tell you
He bit me. He freaking bit me, bro.
Charlie bit me.
Charlie bit me.